This is the story of Rumi and Shams, two souls from different roads, divinely orchestrated to cross paths in Kenya in the 13th century. Rumi was a well-respected scholar and mystic poet, and Shams was a wandering dervish following dedication to asceticism and spiritual learning. This meeting ignited a transformation within Rumi, marking the beginning of an extraordinary journey, and Shams became his spiritual mentor and beloved best friend. Together, they delved into philosophical discussions and mystical exploration, which was a catalyst for some of Rumi's most passionate and sublime poetry. However, their union brewed storms of jealousy and misunderstanding. Shams, with his unconventional ways and profound influence on Rumi, became a figure of intrigue and controversy. The mystery deepened with Shams's sudden and unexplained disappearance, a vanishing that left more questions than answers. Some whispered of foul play, suspecting Rumi's own disciples had murdered him, feeling sidelined by Shams' closeness to Rumi. Others speculated that Shams, ever the wandering mystic, simply chose to vanish, continuing his journey elsewhere. But the most heart-wrenching possibility was that Shams met a tragic end at the hands of someone else, a victim of those who couldn't comprehend the depth of his spiritual connection to Rumi. The disappearance of Shams plunged Rumi into a sea of grief, his heartache birthing verses that would echo through centuries.